Being waste-wise can be easy as using up all your herbs in delicious dressings. Like we've done with this tender steak, it's served with roasted potatoes and coriander chimichurri. Start by preheating the oven to 200 degrees Celsius. Then line a baking tray with baking paper. Place the potato, cumin, and some of the paprika and a little oil in a large bowl. Season with salt and pepper and toss to combine. Now arrange the potato mixture on the tray. Pop in the oven and roast, turning occasionally for 45 minutes or until the potatoes are tender. Next, heat an oiled barbecue grill or char grill on medium-high. Sprinkle the beef with salt and pepper and cook for 2 to 3 minutes each side for medium rare or until the steak is cooked to your liking. Place the steak onto a plate and loosely cover with foil. Set aside for 5 minutes to rest. To make the chimichurri, add the entire bunch of coriander, mint, garlic, vinegar, remaining oil and paprika in a food processor and process until finely chopped. Season with salt and pepper. To serve, thinly slice the steaks and divide among plates with the potatoes. Drizzle with coriander chimichurri and serve with steamed green beans. Full of flavour, this easy meal will be a new family favourite.